Hello, I'm Cecilia, Group Product Manager for Chicco. Today we're going to explore the Trio iMove modular system stroller, car seat and carry cart. Let's begin with the stroller. The first feature we will look at to get an idea of the benefits of this product is the reversible seat, which rotates 360 degrees. This distinctive feature offers mothers the advantage of being able to turn the seat so that their child faces them, without having to remove the child from the seat. This quick and easy operation also makes it possible to maintain constant eye contact with the child. A mother who wants to check to see if her child requires attention when the child calls out can quickly rotate the seat. The feature is also useful, for example, to feed the baby while sitting comfortably on a bench in the park. This stroller has a very large, comfortable seat. It has been approved for use from birth and has a fully reclining backrest that converts into a comfortable bed. To ensure that the child seat is properly protected in any position, especially from the sun, we have an additional rear section that allows the hood to be maneuvered and adjusted so that it is always positioned correctly. The hood also has a section of semi-transparent material to protect the baby from the sun and at the same time allow you to see if the baby needs you. In addition to being large and padded, the seat is equipped with an exclusive 3-piece comfort kit composed of a cushion and 2 soft and comfortable shoulder strap pads to protect the child and ensure that the straps do not come into direct contact with his skin. The wheels of the stroller are of different sizes and have been designed to make maneuvering extremely smooth and practical. The 2 buttons on the front are used to activate and deactivate the swivel wheels. Here too, mothers can choose the swivel or fixed wheel function according to how they walk or the surface of the ground. The handlebar is attached and can be pushed with either 1 or 2 hands. It is height adjustable to suit all mothers and fathers and may be easily raised or lowered as needed. Changing the stroller configuration to that of the car seat is very simple and requires only a few steps. The seat is easily released from the stroller frame by pressing 2 buttons at the rear of the backrest and a lever beneath the seat. This makes taking the stroller in and out of the car extremely quick and easy, as well as switching from one configuration to another. Now let's talk about the carry cart. The basket attaches easily to the frame by aligning the 2 arrow-shaped side rails on the body of the basket with those on the body. As you can see, the basket is very large and is ideal for use in the very first months of the baby's life, when he needs to lie on his back as much as possible. The height of the basket's backrest can be adjusted by the mother from the outside by means of this wheel located near the baby's feet. Attaching the carry cot to the stroller is very simple. And as we saw earlier, it can be released again simply by lifting up on this handle at the rear of the body. Now let's have a look at the third function, that of the car seat. Suitable for use in the car from birth, It can be detached from the base, which remains in the car, and attached to the body and frame of the stroller. There are two important things to say about this item. The first is that it is extremely safe, and the second is that it is comfortable. It has an extremely soft coupling that follows the child's growth and adapts the height of the straps accordingly, so that the child's posture and position are always correct when in the car seat, either in the stroller configuration or that for travel by car. Now, if we release the seat from the body, we are about to close the stroller. In order to close it as much as possible, we have to fully lower the hand grip. Lower the handle, and using a lever located under this handle, fold the stroller down. Now we place the stroller in the car. And that's all there is to it. With Chio iMove, we're ready to go.